know. So as I'm adjusting, you're trying to keep everything moving properly, so that the brain's able to just talk to the body with as little resistance as possible.
Okay.
Remember, we talked about how subluxation in the spine can like choke off the nervous system, and here it just isn't talking to here, and vice versa. Here isn't talking back up to there as best as it can. So, and that all makes sense, right? So we'll do this adjustment in your next one a bit differently, okay? So you just let everything relax. All I'm going to do is instead of doing a push from the back, I'm going to do a pull from the front, just like that, okay? So you just let your whole head just relax. My hands in. Perfect. Good. Give me a minute there. Because that's powerful, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That was so good.
Okay.
Okay, we're doing one on the other side now. Okay. And you just let your hands fall on the head. Just let everything just relax. Now, do you notice that since we started doing those,
The cracking gets
more and more and more?
Yes.
And why do you think it's getting more and more and more and
Because
louder
it's
and louder and louder?
moving.
Because it's moving. It
That's
wasn't
probably
moving
how it
before.
worked
It
in
hasn't
years.
moved in years. So that is so great.
Okay.
Yes. And we'll do one more at the back,
Yep.
okay? Just have a seat. I'm just going to put my knee just right into the middle of your back here. And I'm just going to do a little pull with your
Sounds
shoulders.
fun.
Yeah, you just relax. Just a little pull here. Okay, and one more. Let your shoulders relax. Next deep breath in. And one more there. We're not at a point where Carey can lay down on the table yet because it's still difficult for you to lay down. So we just modify everything and we do it like that. But we'll eventually get there. So thank you so much for sharing today.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.